Okay, I decided to use this sewing pattern images to go along this edge because the girl's got a yellow dress. It goes with the yellow dress there. It goes with the yellow in the background. So I'm going to go ahead and do my girls on the edge. I have another video about that, but I just thought I would show the process. So what you do first, so what you want to do first is decide where you're going to put your girls. And so I've made a little slit in my pattern here and at the top. So those slits are going to be the edge that I end up cutting. And I think I'm going to go just slightly in so that I can do another girls on the edge on this page that'll show through. So I think I'm going to move them over a little bit. I am going to lose some of that cool background, but that's okay because probably find some use for that. So I've made my little slits and I'm going to put them about right here. So I know where I'm going to go with it. It's going to be right here and right here. So what I'm going to do now is just fussy cut out the whole rest of this image up to those 2 lines. Okay, so here are my girls fussy cut out with that edge left on the right hand side. And I know where I'm going to put them, so I'm going to go ahead and Mod Podge them down to the page just like that. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to just put down some Mod Podge. And put my girls down. Smooth them on. Making sure I got a good edge Mod Podge down over here. Okay. They look pretty. I love those images. Okay, now I'm going to let that dry. Okay, so now that this is dry, what I'm going to do is trim out this page. So I'm going to cut straight up to her toe and then straight down from her head. And then I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut her out all along this edge. And I'm actually cutting that page that we decorated. And if you've watched the other video on how to do a girl on the edge, this is truly the best way to do it. You get a really nice clean edge. So just go ahead and trim out all along that edge. Okay, so here is my girl cut along the edge. And now whatever layout I do on the next page and I put another girl here, she's going to show up behind, like in my previous pages where I've layered girls. That's how it'll look. So I'm really happy with this layout. I love it. I love the girl with her lace skirt, the gorgeous background, and then my girls on the edge. And then I'm probably going to take some black Stabilo and go behind and create a shadow behind my girls because I do like to have them stand out a little bit. So there you go. There's that side of the page, and now we'll see what we decide to do on the next page to have something show through right here. I've saved this strip that I cut off because I think I'm going to cut this in a strip and save that rose image and this funky background and use it somewhere else in the book. It's just way too pretty to waste that, so I'm saving my edge that I cut off.